These AI staircase videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now, and they look extremely satisfying to watch. This Instagram page has gained 42,000 followers just by uploading this exact style of content, and some of their videos have reached 14.3 million, 10.3 million, and 9.5 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. I am going to show you the totally free method to create these yourself right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open the master prompt I have written for you. The link is in the description below. Copy the full prompt and paste it directly into ChatGPT. It will instantly provide you 10 engaging staircase ideas to choose from. You can also ask for more or describe your own idea if you have something specific in mind. I am going with idea number 1. Hit enter, and in just a couple of seconds, ChatGPT will provide you a complete text to video prompt ready to use. Copy the prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the video option, choose ingredients, and select your desired video model and number of outputs. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. In just a few seconds, your viral AI staircase video is completely ready to go viral on the internet. That is the entire process. One prompt, one tool, one satisfying viral video. Now watch some other videos I created using the exact same method. The master prompt is in the description waiting for you right now. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.